Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe and staying warm. It is cold out by me. Out in the dirty D. Oh boy, we got a box. What is this? There's not enough snow yet, but this might be a good one. Coming from Verceco. We got some kids snow tube, or you can put your pet on it. Pack of 3, so that's really cool. I might give this to my neighbor's kid. They got 2 kids, so I think it might be a little too small for me. I am old. But you get 3 inflatable snow tube, 1 patch repair, 3 tow rope, and an instruction manual. Okay? I can't believe it's a new year already. Going by fast. You know? Pretty soon it'll be 2030 or something like that. Crazy to think about that. 5 years. Just take it day by day, guys. Oh, we got these kind of like Olympic rings. I have no idea what that's for. But we got the manual snow tube. I do got to pump it up. But yeah, myself cannot fit on these, I don't think. Unless I'm judging the wrong way. So far, pretty good setup they got going on here. And we got this. This is definitely up for first of its kind for me to do. First time doing a sled type. Jamaican bobsled. Cool runnings. Classic movie. Oh, there we go. Okay. Here's the patches. Repair. So you get 3 of them right there. Put that right to the side. Oh yeah, gotta love that smell. Let's see how this looks. How in the heck? Whew. Ah, stink monster. Oh wow. Stinky, stinky. It's like a tarp. Ah, there it is. There's no way I can blow it up. I think I can use a pump. It says, this is not a towable device. Never tow from behind any vehicle. Do not stand or kneel on the sled. Do not use on ice or any surface with then snow, due to the increased lack of control. That makes sense. Do not use near streets, roadways, driveways, or sidewalks. Yeah, okay. And of course, make sure your kids wear the helmet. And that's it. Oof. We got there. That's where you pump it up. This might take me a while. Pause. See? We got it pumping. Alrighty guys, we got it pumped up. And we got the handle installed. All I gotta do is loop it through. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me figure. There we go. And you can just loop it through the hand like this. And you take this handle right here. And then grab this part right here. Just like that. And you take the ring. Kind of like a Sonic ring. Let me get you over here. take the sonic ring and then swoop it through. And then put it through the other side. That's the other handle. Just like that. See? Perfect. Sonic. Okay, I'm gonna pump the other. Be back. Alright, YouTubers, look at this size donut. All you tubers out there, YouTube, or tubing, this would be a good one for your kids to start training on. And like, there's a little handle that's ready to go with you on the road. And be careful out there, though. I miss those days. Carefree. Not to worry about getting injured. At my age now, I gotta be careful. And now we got the pink version. And then the blue. But yeah, there's no really much snow at all where I'm at right now. So it's gonna be kind of hard to test out. And like I said, I'm too old to be going up a hill at one of our ski resorts or something we have up around Michigan. So, but yeah, these are really nice. Nicely made. Look at the back. Ready to go tubing, guys. Be safe out there this winter. And hopefully see you guys soon. If not, take it easy and be safe. Thank you. Verceco Snow Tube. Okie dokie.